Boyne hospitalized after suffering what the Jamaica Information Service calls a medical emergency. Veteran Jamaican journalist Ian Boyne has been hospitalized. Reports are that Boyne, the host of Profile, the longest running show of its kind on local television, was rushed to hospital after suffering a medical emergency over the weekend. Boyne is a regular contributor to the Gleaner newspaper's In Focus commentary section. His latest column, which appeared on Sunday, December the 3rd, is titled "Bring Down Sexual Harassers Here Too." Boyne is also the host of Religious Heart Talk, which is aired on Television Jamaica. He is the Deputy Chief Executive Officer at the state-run Jamaica Information Service, JIS. His precise condition is not known at this time, but there have been reports that it is serious. There are also utterances that he is currently in a coma, although I am unable to confirm that at this point in time. His family has been appealing to the media and other concerned persons to honor their privacy at this point in time. However, they are requesting prayers for his speedy recovery. Hopefully he'll be okay soon and he will be able to be with his family in very short order. I will update you as soon as more information becomes available. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.